Hi there, welcome to Vishesh.com. I am Rajiv. We at Vishesh strive to make personal finance interesting and easy to learn subject. In this episode, we are going to discuss difference between reducing balance method and fixed balance method loans. We will learn which type of EMI is beneficial to we as consumers. EMI in reducing balance method is derived using PMT concept. Please watch my previous video on how PMT formula calculates EMI in MS Excel. Fixed balance methods work on simple interest principle. With these variables of 10 lakh as principal amount, 9% interest and 5-year tenure, the total interest for 5 years will be calculated, which is this value. Here, interest plus principal amount will be 14 lakhs and 50 Ks. And total EMI calculation will come up as 24,166 rupees. It is very interesting to know that interest contribution and principal contribution towards your EMI in fixed balance method will be constant throughout your tenure. Also, you might have noticed the difference in EMI amount for these two methods. This is astonishing. It is very interesting to see the chart of reducing balance methods and fixed balance method. So here we have chart of reducing balance method. Here you can see that with every EMI which you are paying towards your loan, the contribution towards your principal increases, whereas the interest outgo with every subsequent EMI decreases in reducing balance method. Whereas in fixed balance method graph, the EMI will have constant values for interest and principal amounts. So this will remain constant throughout. So even if you are paying extra amount towards your home loan or a car loan, it will not have any impact on reducing your net principal. It will remain constant. And also the difference in this EMI amount is astonishing. This means that you are paying extra with the same interest rate. If you're considering a loan, make sure that you are not missold in the name of low interest rate. You must clarify with your loan agent that EMI is derived through reducing balance method only. Reducing balance method is an honest method of EMI calculation because this method follows the concept of time value of money. With this EMI amount of 24,000 plus something, reducing balance method will need an interest rate of 15.72% instead of 9% through fixed balance method. I hope this video will help you in some way in your personal finance journey. Feel free to reach me with your queries and experiences in comments below. Thanks for watching. Please share this learning with others as well, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.